Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Small Engine Velocity, and today I have a Ruckus video. Everybody knows that I would assume everybody knows, but if you don't know, I entered the Ruckus into a car show, like a rat rod slash custom bike slash automotive show. I recently decided that there's some parts that need to be replaced on the Ruckus, namely some of the stuff that I did and made mistakes on. And here, let me show you really quick. Yeah, it'd be easier if I just showed you. Anyways, here it is. And I wouldn't call it a mistake. It just didn't turn out very well. Why is it not focusing? There you go. So this is the tank cover that I got off of Amazon, and it was like $35, and trust me, it was not even worth the $35 that it came with. It actually came with a tank, a cover for the gas cap that did not work at all, and then this right here was like maybe a half an inch too narrow. So I don't even know how this was made for a Ruckus if it didn't even fit in here. And then I had to shave it back, and then it didn't look, it was like imperfections, and I won't even, it looked bad. So I plasta dipped it, and then come to find out, when you plasta dip and gasoline gets on it, it stains it all over the place. It does not stay good with plasta dip. And then with the plasta dip surface being so tacky, pollen season, like everything stuck to it. Oh, here's my fake FLP. I cut it out. I might take that off. Anyways, yeah, so I could put the cup holder here. Actually, yeah, I relocated my cup holder if anyone didn't notice. It used to be back over here, and now it is here. Anyways, so here's what I did. I buckled down, and then I went and bought this. An NCY Motorsports tank cover. It's still ABS, it's still plastic, but the quality on this is going to be much better. At least I hope. I'm about to install it, and we're about to find out how good it is. I really like this, the way they did it. It looks like someone colored it in with crayon, and I don't know, it looks cool. I like it. And then it has a little holographic symbol, NCY Motorsports, ABS oil tank cover board, black, new for the zoomer. It says zoomer. I guess, yeah, it's the same thing, right? Okay, well, let's go ahead and put this on real quick and see how it looks. But first, welcome to the channel if you're new. Don't, if you like what I'm talking, if you like some of the videos that I have and you want to see more in the future, go ahead and give me a subscribe and click that alert bell so that you can be alerted when new videos come out. If you've been here before, welcome back. I knew you'd be back. Just kidding. I mean, I would hope you would be back. But anyways, let's go put this on real quick. 8mm. Don't necessarily need impact, but I'm just taking stuff off, so we're good. I need to take this off first. And look at that. It looks terrible. Now, I'll keep it as a spare if I need it, but it's stained to all heck. Although the plasta dip stayed on pretty good. Anyways. And then here's my fake FLP. Super thin. Alright. Let's open this new one with the, I don't know if anyone can see that, but it says SEV. This is the SEV official box opening knife. So we'll go ahead and open this NCY box. Only took one piece of tape that needed to be cut. Oh, it has a little cover thing with some double-sided Velcro. I don't know, how well will that work? We'll have to find out. Oh, look, and they're convenient enough to give me instructions on how to Velcro this onto my cap. Thank you, NCY. It's in a large plastic bag. Ta-da! Old, new, ugly, pretty. Now, definitely, you could tell, for those of us that like to be symmetrical, this is where the fuel gauge, this is where the fuel sensor gauge and the wiring comes out, and then to make it symmetrical, they went ahead and put one on the other side also, unlike my old one, where if you are a symmetrical person, this would drive you nuts. So, ta-da, let's go ahead and put this on. So here's the gas cap. Here is the, whatever you want to call this, the tank cover piece. It looks like, oh, it fits on it pretty, aw. It's a little off center, but still. Okay, so, unpeel the Velcro. Unpeel the other Velcro. And why Velcro? Like, am I gonna take this off? Then we will push it together. Ta-da! Now I have a fancy pants cover. It's better than it was before. I didn't know it came with this either, so that's a bonus. We'll put this tank cover on. Let's see how well it fits the first time. Nice. No cutting or anything. Why is there a notch here? Okay, well. Alright, so. Put this on. Our tank cover back on. There. Wow. I'm pretty impressed. It looks good. It does. It really looks good. Still have that. I got that gaping hole back here again. Like I did last time. But I'll figure a way to close it up. I may actually just leave it open because this cup holder was running into it. But anyways, let's go over a few things real quick. So, I should have just saved my money in the beginning and just went ahead and bought the tank cover that everyone recommended, or what most people said had good opinions about. The number one complaint on the cheap ones is the fitment sucks. It doesn't line up. You have to do some trimming. You have to shave it off. You have to do something to make it work right. And this one, the cap tank, it actually fits. So it's quality. So save your money, or save yourself from having to replace it in the future down the road, and buy a tank cover that works, that looks right, and that's quality. Now you can get away with cheaper. I had that one for a year and it worked perfectly fine. There were just some flaws, and it cracked and it was old. I mean, I had to plastic dip it to make it look right, blah, 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 blah. Sometimes you can get away with cheaper if you don't mind, but if you're planning to put something on and not have to replace it, then get a good one. There are stainless steel versions of the NCY, or chrome, there's fiberglass, but this is what I got. It was a good price. It was not that much more than the original one I got, but now technically I paid double for a tank cover, and that's not good. Anyways, hope this helps. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It is raining and wet outside, so there will be no taking the Ruckus out of the garage for a test ride to see what it looks like in the sunlight. But you'll see it in future videos. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.